treat! Kuya Gabby! Birthday niya, kaya rin kami ngayon nag-getaway. So, we'll bring you guys along with us for today's video. See you! Na naman ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang lamig sa kamay. So, nag-take lang kami ng pictures and tumakbo na kami pabalik sa kotse. Hindi sumama si Papa kasi as you have seen earlier sa clip ay injured siya. So, hindi siya makakas-lakad dito ng maayos. Pero we're going to Banff and probably we'll eat lunch there and try to warm up. Sana hindi doon mas like kasing lamig dito kasi mataas na to eh. So for sure hindi na siya ganun kalamig.
Pero windy kasi doon.
Hopefully not. We'll update you guys. See ya! It's lunchtime and we're currently at Tama Teriyaki and Sushi. Ang request ng aming birthday boy ay sushi pero kailangan may kanin kasi
Sushi
tayo sa Filipino household. Pero actually, kung isipin nyo, may rice ang sushi. Then, dinop off lang namin si Papa dito and naghanap kami ng parking kanina. I think I'm going to get their teriyaki shrimp bento box. Kasi parang ang sarap ng teriyaki nila doon sa picture.
What the hell?
Tama. Tama. I'm back at the parking lot because I forgot to pay for the parking. So, here I am praying na walang ticket agad-agad.
Sarap yan.
In Banff downtown. Meet the members of the family. Kuya Gabby and Ate Ana. Papi! And Mama. And ayun. Tapos na kami kumain sa Tama Teriyaki. Actually, tama lang. Okay lang. Cotton candy. At pinagbigyan siya ni Ate Ana. Kasi birthday niya. Sabi ko sa inyo. I'm not sure if I'm still going to be the driver. We're going to Calgary and check in sa hotel namin. So we're saying bye to Banff and hello to Calgary. And since last minute decision kasi namin na mag long weekend trip na ubusan na kami, sold out na. One thing about long weekends here is super binavalue siya ng mga tao. So whenever there's a long weekend, usually fully booked na yung mga tourist spots or like popular places to go to, like Banff, Canmore, even sa BC. So if you're planning to go on a long weekend trip, it will be smart to book ahead, kahit 2 months, a month ahead. And still, I'll be driving.
Ano may tsura niya? Lumanod na siya. Hindi ko naman kayang pigilan niya.
As we finally arrived in our hotel, we're staying at, sinabi ko na kanina, Best Western Suites Plus downtown. Walang kahit anong factor other than size and beds dito sa hotel na to. Hindi kami nag-inerte. Kailangan lang namin ng reasonable price na fit kaming 5. And we found this one nandito sa downtown para makapag-ikot-ikot pa kami tonight. Merong king size bed. Ito yung sa king room na makakuha ng ni King Ivan dahil siya ang birthday boy. Nanalo siya
Happy birthday.
over seniority. And merong maingay sila. May queen bed for me and Mama. Sofa bed for Papa. Maganda na yan kasi nga injured siya, so he's close to everyone, to everything. And this is their washroom. Only one washroom, 2 bedrooms, and one sofa bed. And ito yung living room where the sofa bed is also located. Ito yung kung saan kami kakain. Basically, dyan lang i-prepare upuan. Hindi kami kasya dyan 5. And meron din siyang kasamang sink and fridge and everything. Like a kitchen.
Yung black. Yung no.
Hello guys! We decided to go outside before eating out.
That's right, guys.
Yun. Dahil I already got the shot, I am dressing warm. Wala na akong kasi style. Hindi sila nilalamig dahil sila ay originally Calgary. Gabi! Happy to you!
Hello guys, it's our day 2 here and we're in Suji. I've been craving matcha for a long time pero naubusan ako ng matcha so lately I've been getting it from Starbucks. Pero ngayon gusto ko bumalik sa paggawa sa bahay. So meron sila dito, they sell 30 grams and I think 100 grams of it. So I got the 30 grams to check first if I would like it. Then ang ganda ng ambience as you can see sa clips, ang ganda ng ambience dito but we can't stay unfortunately kasi mahirap mag-parking. So right now, iniwan ko lang yung parents ko doon while we buy drinks for them. We'll just get the drinks to go. They not only have drinks, they also have parfaits, ice cream, shaved ice, and dry fruits. So yeah,
Sabi nga rin na yun.
Ano naman ng kwento?
Aking misis.
Ma, yung ano siya, ma?
Panlasang Pinoy. Just as This is the weather outside. While I was filming, ito yung current weather. I hope this is the last. I just finished my errand at Popcorn kasi nagluto ng champorado si mama. So I had to buy whole milk powder. We always buy at Popcorn kasi it just hits the spot. If you like Bear Brand, it's really close to that taste. So yeah, I also got this chocolate protein pack. Just one pack kasi isa lang naman kailangan ko sa gagawin kong protein brownies. And also I got their almond milk because it's 75%. Every time I get an almond milk, I get it from Bulk Barn kasi 75% yung almond milk nila until maubos. So if I were you, I'd get that. And as I mentioned earlier, I'd be making protein brownie. So I had to get myself a square pan. I know na wala sa bahay, and if wala, tatamarin na ako lumabas because of the weather that I showed you earlier. So, yun, tinapos ko na lahat ng kailangan ko from outside, and yun, time to go home. Hinihintay na nila ako kasi hindi sila kakain ng chaparado without this spoon milk.